After a grueling campaign period that saw former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua and the current Deputy President, Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki, clash in a battle of titans, the curtains have finally fallen on the Mbeere North campaigns, with the residents of the constituency expected to head to the polls this Thursday. However, a Mizani Africa survey has shown that the United Democratic Alliance candidate Leonard Wamuthende will emerge victorious in the polls. According to the poll conducted between November 17th and November 19th among 800 respondents, Wamuthende commands 44.6% of voter support, giving him a slight lead over his rivals. The Democratic Party of Kenya candidate DP Newton Karish emerged second with 42.4% in a race that Mizani Africa said is too close to call.
Haujatuwekea maji, haujajenga kanisa. Saa hii unakuja unatuambia ati wewe kiongozi wa nani? Waende asiende. Waende wasiende.
Si mimi nilitangazia nyinyi. Tumefungua hoteli ya Kasongo na Soprano na Ruko na Karinda na Muthende. Alafu hoteli si tumefunga sasa. Sasa tulisema ndovu hawezi zikwa na nini?
According to survey results, the Mbeere North by-election is a two-horse race, given both leading candidates enjoy a nearly similar large support base. The Chama cha Kazi candidate that has been fronted by Moses Kuria, who emerged third, has a popularity rating of 5.7%, with 7.3% of the respondents being undecided on who they will vote for. In terms of party popularity, President William Ruto's UDA party remains popular with 38.9% rating, followed closely by Rigathi's DCP party, which has 33.1% rating. Mizani Africa said the survey results indicate growing consolidation around the major parties as voter preference become more defined. The campaign period has seen a war of words between Gachagua and Kindiki, each trading blame, with Gachagua claiming that the government is using ulterior ways to influence the elections.
Kasongo anyolewa sinjolewe. Lakini sasa tumefika baada ya kukula pesa ya Kasongo. Hata ile wataleta mchukue. Lakini kura ni ya nani?
However, on his part, Kindiki has claimed that Gachagua has nothing to show for the 2 years he served as the second in command. The Thursday polls are expected to be the ultimate show of influence on who is the ultimate Mount Kenya kingpin between Gachagua and Kindiki. Elvis Omondi, Newspoint.